What I eat in a day to get in over 200 grams of protein and stay under 2,000 calories. Breakfast potatoes and a mega McMuffin coming in at 559 calories and 46 grams of protein. Full macros at the end. Subscribe for more. Pre-workout, 3/4 scoop whey protein. Post-workout, 1.5 scoops, 5 grams. Post-workout lunch, bacon, cheddar, mac and cheese, 614 calories, 61 grams of protein. Perfect post-workout meal. Tonight's dinner on the go, chicken burrito. Calories 430 with 58 grams of protein. Totals for the day, 1,873 calories, 214 grams of protein, 49 grams of fat, and 129 net carbs. Good day.